Okay everyone, you have probably seen the WMOB ClickFriend webinars. How to join, how to set it all up, and how to make it bigger and how to grow your network, how to expand your network. But now I'm going to let you in on 3 scenarios how to use ClickFriend on its own in such a way that you will not become multi-millionaire but multi-gazillionaire. So once you've seen the 3 webinars of WMOB ClickFriend, how to join, how to set your account up and how to expand your network, then I'll take you to an area in where you will be introduced to ClickFriend as a product on itself, as a platform on itself, in where you are able to make so much money it will truly blow your mind. So this little video is to just show a couple of people. It's a limited amount of people that I let in the inner circle sessions of how to use ClickFriend in such a way that not millions but gazillions of dollars, euros and whatever currency will flow into your accounts. So stay tuned, click the links underneath here in order to see if this special VIP ClickFriend, WMOB ClickFriend webinar is available already. And if not, then just follow the links underneath and stay tuned and get cracking, because ClickFriend on itself, within the structure of WMOB, is such a rubbernecker. We call that a rubbernecker. It is such an economic shapeshifter, it will truly blow your mind. At this moment, me personally, I'm creating 12,000 different websites at the moment, all being linked with ClickFriends and WMOB. So that just shows you what a huge thing ClickFriend really is. So to make a long story short, when you truly want to find out the big secret behind ClickFriend, not only the 6 ways of making money with WMOB by clicking once a week, but also the huge big secret of ClickFriend itself, stay tuned. Share this video when you see this on YouTube by opening the share option. Underneath this YouTube video you'll see a little option, a little word says that says share. Press that little button and a little pop-up screen comes up, or you'll see your different social media platform icons. Once you press those, then little pop-up screens come and you can share this video on your social media platforms in order to grant others this opportunity. When you see this video on a page where you can leave your email address, whether it's here, there or underneath, do so. So I'll keep you up to date via email. And there's another way of just joining, is to stay tuned and keep watching my videos, because I will let you in I will let you in with the 3 big secrets of ClickFriend itself, how to make gazillions and gazillions of money. And that will be a VIP inner circle session. I hope to really make you curious, and I'll see you on the beaches of the world in the next video on this VIP webinar, and definitely in our team with WMOB ClickFriend. Bye bye.